किन काएक जिस जीव सावे.
In the city of Lahore, Pakistan, opposite to Lahore Fort and near Badshahi Masjid is located the Gurdwara of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, commonly known as Gurdwara Dera Sahab.
हमारे लिए यही एक पाक जगह है, क्योंकि हमें जब अरदास में ये बताते हैं जो हमारे पहली गुरु साहब हुए गुरु नानक से 10 पातशाहियों की जोत हुई है, तो किसी का हजूर साहब में स्थान है, गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी का, किसी गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी पटना साहब में जैसे जन्म हुए, ऐसे हमारे लिए एक मक्का मदीना समझ जो पाकिस्तान में जन्म स्थान है, उसके तो हम दर्शन दीदार हमारे.
The Gurdwara was built by Guru Har Gobind Ji in somewhat 1619. But the shrine was later demolished and converted into residential quarters by Yahya Khan, the Nawab of Lahore. In 1834, Maharaja Ranjit Singh rendered his services to the place and erected a building and built a holy Gurdwara in the memory of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, who was martyred at the same place. Guru Arjan Dev Ji was the 5th of 10 Gurus of Sikhism, born in Gondiwal, India and died in Lahore, Pakistan. He had contributed many important work, including the compilation of Adi Granth and the introduction of Masant system. The followers of Sikhism from around the world visits Pakistan and pay their holy visit to the Gurdwara during the month of June, which is said to be the same month in which Guru Arjan Dev Ji was brutally tortured for 6 days and martyred in the hands of Mughals after he requested for a bath in the water of Ravi and miraculously disappeared. The followers of Guru Arjan Dev Ji asserted that the highly gilded dome in the shrine is the same spot where Guru Arjan Dev Ji dived and miraculously disappeared in the water of Ravi in 1606.
जरा तुसी देखते हो कि मेरे हथे सज्जे पासे सोने दा गुम्मट है और थल्ले उन्हां दा शहीदी स्थान है जी जी ते इहनू कहंदे ने गुरुद्वारा डेरा साहब लाहौर.
Inside the Darbar Sahab, on the raised platform and under the canopy is placed Granth Sahab, which is the focus of attention in the main hall. It is covered with expensive cloth when not being used. International Sangats are held every year on Shahidi Jod Mela, Vaisakhi, death anniversary of Maharaja Ranjit Singh and birth of Satgur Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Sikhs will bow to the Granth Sahab, touching their forehead to the floor. Cushions and seats are not allowed in the Darbar Sahab, which gives everyone place of equal status to sit. Everyone in Darbar Sahab sits on the floor. People also make an offering of food or money in front of Granth Sahab, which is used to run Gurdwara and free food kitchen called Langar. Inside the Darbar Sahab is the separate room for the Granth Sahab, where it is kept during the night and carried to the Darbar Sahab at the start of the day's worship. The door opposite to the Granth Sahab inside Darbar Sahab leads to another small building, in the middle of which is the room which is said to be the exact place where Guru Arjan Dev was forced to sit on the hot iron plate. The room is decorated with beautiful artwork made of small cut mirrors and paintings. In the center of the room is the pavement where Guru Arjan Dev Ji was tortured, which is covered by a small golden dome. Around the room, the doors, walls and roof are decorated with heavy artwork. A door behind the room leads to the big hall with attached kitchen where the activity of langar takes place. In the open area of Gurdwara is a big garden where visitors rests, walk or sits in gathering. A platform with shed is also built where visitors usually rests during the daytime. Rooms made of fiberglass accommodates the visitors who are also provided with the facility of lockers. The locals of the city in Gurdwara sells the souvenirs to the visitors. Samadhi of the Sikh ruler Maharaja Ranjit Singh is also built inside the Gurdwara. The construction was started by his son Khadak Singh on the spot where he was cremated and completed by his youngest son Dalip Singh in 1848.
Ranjit Singh was actually from Gujarat. तो उसने इन सारों को 12 मिसलों को इकट्ठा करके पंजाब की एक यूनिफिकेशन बनाई थी और सिख कौम को एक वहसियत कौम के इस्टेब्लिश करवाया था। तो रंजीत सिंह की फिर यहाँ पर पूरे पंजाब में छोड़ के आप सोचें कश्मीर में और पेशावर में और मुल्तान तक कहाँ तक उसकी एक्सटेंशन हुई थी उसकी एम्पायर। और ऑलमोस्ट जितना भी इस वक्त नॉन पाकिस्तान है उसमें से बलूचिस्तान का कुछ हिस्सा छोड़ के और सिंध का नीचे का हिस्सा छोड़कर रंजीत सिंह की बादशाह थी फ्रंटियर। और यहाँ पर तो तक थी और कश्मीर के भी पूरे के पूरे कश्मीर से में तो हरि सिंह नलवा था। तो इस जगह पर रंजीत सिंह जो था सिंबॉलिक सिखों का एक ही रूलर और पूरे सिखों की पूरे बड़े सगीर की 5000 साल की तारीख में 50 साल की टोटल। रंजीत सिंह की जो मरगट है और रंजीत सिंह के करैक्टर के हिसाब से जिस तरह पूरे सिख धर्म के अंदर पूरे सिख कम्युनिटी के अंदर एक लीडर है वैसे उनकी एक समाधि भी क्योंकि दूसरा कोई बंदा था ही नहीं उसी की समाधि क्योंकि सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ गुरु नानक के बाद अगर सिखों के यहाँ कोई इम्पोर्टेंट तरीन शख्सियत सियासत के हिसाब से बादशाह के हिसाब से आती है तो वो रंजीत सिंह।
The tomb is decorated with visual arts, ribbons and other decoration items displaying the love and respect for Maharaja. Maharaja Ranjit Singh's ashes are contained in a marble urn in the shape of a lotus sheltered under a marble pavilion in the center of the tomb. The funerary urns were removed from the marble pavilion and were replaced by a simple slab around 1999. The gilded fluted domes exemplifies the Sikh architecture. The two small monuments to the west of the Samadhi of Ranjit Singh commemorate Ranjit Singh's son Maharaja Khadak Singh and grandson Nihal Singh and their wives.
संग मोहे उधार नानक उन संग उन